Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. So whether you are starting a new project or just wanted to stop being built for an old one, deleting a GoDaddy website requires a few specific steps and it's pretty annoying, but I'm going to show you step by step how we can actually focus and delete your actual website, let's say for once in a lifetime. So today I'm going to show you how to unpublish your site, which is the soft delete. For example, if you wanted to hide your site from the public but keep your data, use the unpublished feature. So the first thing is to sign in directly here into your GoDaddy account, just as you see directly in here. So when you go to your My Product page and find the website and the marketing, click into the manage next to the site you wanted to hide, and then click into the edit the website to open the actual builder. So at the very bottom of the menu, you will select the option that says unpublished. Once you have selected your free or the custom website that you're going to be generating for it. Now, basically, this only happens when you are directly inside your, let's go for example, my website. Here it is. So as you can see, this one is no longer published. It appears as an actual draft. That's why I actually focused on that element. So if I wanted to publish it again, I just click into the option that says publish to my site and I'm actually good to go. Now, to permanently delete the actual product, to stop paying for the site and delete this forever, you need to go directly to the renewals on the billing page. So once again, if you click into the profile name to the top right and select it from the actual menu, what you want to do is to check the box next to the website or hosting plan you want to get rid of. So I'm going to key directly here into my products like this. And here are my two products, right? So when I click directly here into manage my domains and manage my websites, let's say for example this one, which is free marketing, whatever. So I just go for managed like this. I click directly in there and this will be sending me back directly here into this new section of my website, right? So just like that, this is the step most people miss because GoDaddy will send you an email titled that you want to click into the cancel the actual renewal, right? So here what I can do inside my website is to manage it, but instead of clicking directly in here, just click directly into your account and go for the billings and all of that. So here into the billings, you click into the billing that you're currently paying or you were paying, and directly in here should be appearing the actual website that you will be paying so on. So as you can see, go for managed all my section here. I select it and I go for delete the automatic renewal. When you have done this process, it says that your subscription will be cancelled. So if you check the box to acknowledge the data loss and click into send the email, this step is most people missed because GoDaddy will send an email title, are you sure that your account address? So open it and click into the button that says yes, I wanted to delete. So you will be sent back to the account once the last time. So you can just hit into delete it, send the email and go for continue. This is pretty annoying because usually other users and other places where you can, for example, hosting or Wix, for example, can let you delete your account in no time. But here we are unfortunate because we have to do this let's say connecting bridges into our different account. That says, are you sure? Are you sure? Go directly here into GoDaddy. There is no undo button. Yes, I wanted to delete. So this needed to be done in order to no longer receive any renewal. They say that is for security purposes, but this is just to annoy people and not to let us let's say have the element, right? So this is how we can actually do this process in a very easy way. So if you're using a managed WordPress, the process is slightly different because you needed to go to the managed WordPress section and click into the managed all. So into the three dots next to the specific site you want to delete and select the remove. You type remove into the box and delete the site but keeps your hosting plans active. So once again, you need to head back directly to the Gmail in order to confirm that you no longer wanted to see the undo button and go for the option, the last option, for example, it says delete. Well, that will be actually it. So Remember that the unpublishing is for privacy, deleting is for bailing. So if you're moving your site to a new host or just shutting down, you can let me know in the comments below. Yes, it is pretty annoying to focus in the, but that's the only way how you can just delete that stuff. So you can let me know in the comments below what you think about this last solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You want to see more great tools directly here to GoDaddy. Thank you once again for watching. See you next time.